All right, back to number 9. Sorry about that. We got cut off. But yeah, we ended up with x equals -4 and x equals 5. We're going to put those in brackets, and there's your answer.
Good?
Good.
Good? Alright. So, here's our word problem. Does not sound fun at all, right? So, there is an Ebola spreading in Redondo residence. Every day, one person infects 4 other people in the city. How long would it take for Redondo's population of 145,500 residents to catch this disease? To catch Ebola. Round up to the nearest whole day, and then show your work to get full credit. I'm gonna do that. I can't do that.
Just do that one.
Do that one? I can't
It's the same
understand.
thing.
Alrighty. So, the Redondo population is 145,500. Now, Ebola.
We're going to show you how we got that.
Yeah, we're gonna show you how to got that. Okay. So, the first day there's one person infected. Now, times 5, because there's already 4 people.
The first person infected 4 people, so it's going to be 5 people altogether.
Exactly.
And each time you're going to multiply by 5.
Because it goes day by day. So here's day 1, 5 people are infected. They infect 5 more people. So there's 25 people infected. Now, they infected 5 more people. That's 125 people infected. That's quick. That's in 3 days.
All right.
So, now...
Obviously, our equation, since there's 145,500 people in Redondo Beach, we have 5 days, 5 times D, until they are going to all be infected by Ebola. Therefore, we have to find D. Or we'll tell them how to do it.
Okay, so now log with the base of 5, 145,500 equals D. Now, what you do is you put log 145,500 over log 5, and you type it into your calculator, right here. You go log 145,500, make sure to close your parentheses, divided by log 5 parenthesis equals 7.386.
Now, we're supposed to round up to the nearest whole day, so it's just pretty much going to be 8 days.
8 days. And there's your answer.
There's the answer, but yeah, 8 days.
8 days.
I'm going to draw an arrow. Gotta draw that arrow, though. 8 days.
There you go.
Boom!
Let's go. Boom. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Y'all learn tonight?
Number 2. This is what we got. We got ibuprofen, all right? All right?
God, your breath smells.
That's how the soup goes, bro. Do you want my key ingredient in that soup is?
Just do the math.
I use
man.
Ebola in that soup.
Do the math.
Pure Ebola.
Do the math. Do the math.
I feed that soup
Do
to
the
4
math.
people each
We're running out of
day.
battery.
Each day.
Do the math.
All right. For number 2, we got ibuprofen. All right.
Get her done.
So
within
pretty
30
much,
seconds.
ibuprofen.
Oh crap! Drop it like it's hot.
Stop dropping my phone.
I
man.
know. Drop it like it's hot, bro.
All right.
Hey.
Ibuprofen, a little CVS painkiller. All right. It's 5 hours. It lasts. And the actual ingredient, the main ingredient in ibuprofen, is simply ibuprofen. Actually, it's its own thing. Now, what? I don't care. But ibuprofen. It starts to actually wear off at 20 milligrams in your body. If you take 4 tablets at once, each 400 milligrams each, how long in hours would it take for the drug to wear off? So, here's what we got. You're taking 4 tablets. There you go, buddy.
Sorry.
You're taking 4 tablets, all right? And it's 400 each. So we're going to multiply 4 times 400. You get 1,600. We're going to put that over 16. And in order to find 200, we're going to have to split that in half. And T equals the amount of hours. We're going to find out how many hours it is. We're going to put that over 5. Then we got 200 and 600. 200 is the point where it starts to wear off. 600 is 400 plus 200, obviously. So since you're dividing 1,600 and 1,600, you're just going to cancel it out. You're going to do the same thing with the other part. You got, no, I'm sorry. You simplify 200 and 600. Then you get 1 over 8. Then we get 1 over 2, parentheses, T5. Now, what we're going to do here, if we take a look at the calculator,
Calculadora.
I put 1 over 5, and I just put it in decimal form. I got 0.15. All right, baby. So we're
You
gonna
realize that says nothing like that on the thing, right?
No, it does. Look, bam. Fight me. Okay.
But you said 1 over 5, not 1 over 8.
1 over 8. Squeeze me. Thank you, Earl. All right.
My bad.
1 divided by 2. Then we're gonna. Then this is a little trick I like to do. I hit the little square sign. I hit delete, and I put 1 divided by 5. Since T is going to be the same quantity as 1, we're going to move T to its own little station. So you can see right there. All right, baby. All right, let's go. Hit enter, and this is what we got. 0.87055. Bam. We're going to put T as an exponent. We're trying to find the exponent. Obviously, we're going to use lags. All right, so we're going to do log 0.87055. Then same thing, log 0.125. We're gonna divide it. Sorry about that. It's gonna be subtraction. So this is what we got. We got log 0.125. Close the parenthesis. Divide log point. Yeah. Oh, it says it right there. What am I doing? 87055. Close the parenthesis. 14.9999299. 15 hours, buddy. We're gonna round it up. 15 hours. 15. And let's go.
All right, number 3. So after attending college, you sign up for a debit card that has 16% APR interest, compounded monthly. You charge your new Samsung Galaxy on the card for $600, and your card doesn't require any monthly payments. 15 years later, exactly, you receive a bill in the mail saying they finally need you to pay off your bill. How much is it for? Okay. Why are you zooming on my phone? I haven't brushed my teeth. Hold on. All right, so the cost of your bill, is that the final answer? That's not the final answer, right?
No, that is the final answer.
Okay, it is. Okay, no.
No cheating!
No need to know that. So, formula you're going to use is A equals P, parentheses 1 plus R over 12, parentheses M. M stands for months, P stands for the money, and A stands for the what? What is it? APR.
Months. Oh, okay. A, APR. P, money. M, months. All right, let's get into this. We got A equals P, parentheses 1 plus.
I already said that 10 steps ahead.
Then go, boy.
I am. All right, so the price, your money, is $600. You're going to place it in the P spot. Parentheses is going to be 1 plus. Now your percentage, the only way to change it into a decimal is that you have to do the decimal point
twice to the left.
To the left. So you're going to get 0.16
16
over 12.
is going to be behind the decimal
Are we
point.
both talking here?
As you can see. You said you wanted help, bud.
I do when I mess up. Then parentheses and then 15. You get the time. You got to times 12 to this side and times 12 to that side, right?
Yes.
All right. Then what you're gonna get is 600 parentheses 1 plus. How you get 0.013333 is by
you divided 0.16 by 12.
There you go.
And it's a continuous amount of 3s.
So you just put
PEMDAS first, you're gonna add 1 to it. So it's gonna be 1.01333.
And how you get 180 is 15 times 12 because you canceled those 12s out.
So you're gonna put 1.01333 to the power of 180. That's how you get 10.84.
No, 600 times 10.84, and your final answer is $6509.84.
Which is going to be the billing price.
And that's a lot of money.
Boom! Alright, for our last problem, number 4, where you talked about the romance cone, the youngest you can go, the oldest you go, dating someone. Now, we already know the inequality for dating the younger person, D greater than half A, which is age, plus 5. So, instead we're just going to do an inverse property. We're going to switch the variables A and D just to find the oldest you can go. So you're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Then you're going to get A minus 5 is greater than half D. We're going to multiply 2 to both sides. And then, because we've got to cancel out the half, then we end up with 2A minus 10 is greater than D. Then reverse that just to put it in regular order. Now, let's talk about my parents. We're going to see if they were in the ROCO when they met. I found out that they were not when they did meet. They are now. I'm 17 now, but doesn't mean that's how long it took. When they met, my dad was 38 and my mom was 19. So let's divide 38 by 2 to get half, and then you'll get 19. Then you add 5 to it, so it's 24. My mom, I don't even know what it is. Mom was 19. So the difference was actually not 5 years, but it was 10 years, because you have to eliminate the half part. So 10 years was how long it was to ROCO. So yeah, say all you want. My dad was a player. Fight me. All right, thanks, Mrs. Suhu. That's all we have for Unit 2. Hope you enjoy. Big props to Earl for helping me out, and I hope he gives me the same recognition. All right, later.